Good evening. In today's session, let's discuss regarding a program called Prerana program. This program has been launched by Ministry of Education on January 4th, 2024. And I want you to remember these points. What is the Prerana program? Which ministry has launched this? And what is the date on which this program has been launched? And this program is meant for the students in India between the class 9th and 12th. So the government has developed a selection process. It will be conducting some tests. There will be screenings, and per batch, which will be going for a week, 20 students will be selected. And this is a weekly batch, and that will go on a rotational basis. Out of these 20 students, there will be 10 boys and 10 girls. What is the purpose? The purpose of this particular program is to teach them with respect to the holistic learning approach. This is what exactly is required for the students. Very, very, very important one. And if you look at this particular program, this is launched by the Ministry of Education, as I told you. And similarly, if you look at the picture on the screen, this picture is of a school building that is located in Gujarat. It has been constructed in the year 1888. And apart from having the heritage significance, this particular building also important because the Prime Minister of India has studied in this particular school. That is the reason why this school is very much there in the news today. And this Prerana program is going to be conducted, and the students from across the country will be reaching over there on rotational basis, where they will be taught holistic learning approach. Clear? So regarding this program, I would like to share more points. Launched by Ministry of Education, this is meant for holistic learning approach. Launched on January 4th, 2024, I told you. And venue is the Vadnagar. This is in Mehsana district of Gujarat. Very, 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 very important. Next, this was established. Building was constructed in the year 1888. And the significance is that the Prime Minister has studied here. Students, 20 students weekly on rotational basis. So like this, good number of students from across the country will be getting the opportunity to reach this place and learn the holistic learning approach. And if you look at the program schedule, so during the daytime, they will be taught, the yoga, mindfulness, meditation sessions, followed by experimental learning and various things. And in the evening, they will be visiting ancient and heritage sites. And they will be watching inspirational film screenings, mission life creative activities, talent shows, etc. And they will also be embracing indigenous knowledge systems. Very, very, very important. So like this, various things will be taught to these young minds. Clear? And another very, very important one. Kindly have a very close look here. The program is rooted in 9 value-based themes. Clear? Imparting knowledge is one thing for the students. At the same time, you need to impart the values, the ethics into the system of the students. So that what will happen, tomorrow they will become the right citizens of India. And what are these 9 value-based? Look at this. First one is the Swabhiman and Vinay. Second one is Shaurya and Sahas. Third one is Parishram and Samarpan. Fourth one, Karuna and Seva. Fifth one, Vivid and Ekta. So these are the 5 value-based themes, and 4 more are there. Now I would like to share those 4 also with you. Kindly have a look at this. Important one. Satyanishta and Shuchita, Navachar and Jignasa, Shraddha and Vishwas, Swatantra and Kartavya. right? So these are the 9 value themes, and kindly remember, whatever the curriculum that is being followed in this particular school with respect to this particular program has been developed by IIT Gandhinagar. Very important one. Since this is considered to be a prestigious program by the government, definitely you can expect a question from this area. Clear? Similarly, if you look at the last point on this topic, the school stands as a tribute to Vadnagar's indomitable spirit. This is a living city that has triumphed over challenges like earthquakes and natural calamities, and is home to ancient heritage sites and monuments inhabited since the early historic period and in the modern day. This is the significance of this particular city. Clear? Kindly remember all the points, and anything may be a question in the examination, but the most important thing is that what is the Prerana program, who launched, when launched, and what is the purpose of launching this particular program. Clear? And that's all for the day. And in the below the description of this particular video, all our courses which are being offered have been given, the links have been given. Please download the app and join the course of your choice. Fine. And also follow me through Telegram channel, where you will be given the updates from time to time. Thank you so much, and I wish you all a very good luck.